YouTube, this is Donna from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a project share. This is this month's collab for the Dollar Tree. Use those Dollar Tree stickers collab, and of course it's hosted by the 757 CWA and Company. Check us out. All the ladies with the links below. We have Susan from Susie Q Crafter 21. We have Lisa from Miss Liz Crafty. We have Sheba from Sheba Finds, and then we have Donna, who's only on the IG, and it's Donna_K. So all of the information will be below. Please check them out. You will not be disappointed because they are so talented. I use this Tattered Angels, my postcard stuff. I cannot find my penny black one and my other one. But anyway, I use this one, a couple elements to make it look like a postcard. Yeah, and the word postcard. And then I use these Dollar Tree stickers. I know you've probably seen all of them. These are duplicates. And I use this Jelly Bean paper pad, Older Collection. And then I use these Creative Memories border cartridge maker, border maker cartridges. This is called On the Road, and you can see those little cars. This is called Fence, Picket Fence. It's one of the old ones that comes with the actual system itself, and this one is called Clouds, and this one's still on our website now. So that is what I use, and I think, oh, and I use some Distress Oxides, Cracked Pistachio, and Peacock Feathers. I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Alright, and then, okay. Oh, and I also used, I forgot one of my stickers. I have extra copy of that, but I don't think I have one near me to get it. Anyway, the little gold one. And with that one, I made this iCAD, index card a day. You can call it postcard or whatever, but it's the index card inked around the edges, and it's just summertime. And I just put some of those elements on it, and I have that paper in the background with the globe. You can see the United States over there. So, and that is that one. Here's this one, inked around the edges of that one as well. Again, just stamped it like a little postcard. And you can see under here the little black stamps like it's been stamped. And then this one, the picket fence in the background and the clouds, and that says family. Those three houses. And it came out cute. And then this one you see, for that one you have the picket fence and the clouds border punch in the background. This one you see the cars border punch in the background. And again, a stamp to make it look like a stamp. Just put some of those elements to make it like a postcard. And airplane. And of course the paper in the background, you see those, the pin marks for directions. This is the one I used to just oxide inks, excuse me, the background. And I put some silver aluminum foil in the bottom. I should use some alcohol inks on it in the bottom, but I didn't mind. I left it straight. I just put a couple strips under there. And then I stick the elements on it. Kind of like a sea theme. So those were my iCads that I made today. And of course I will have pictures on my Instagram. They were fun and easy. And I really enjoyed making these. So again, check out the ladies. And thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.